Question: in a circle, a chord is 5 cm away from the center. If the radius of circle is 13 cm, what is the length of the chord? Let AB is a chord. C is center. Distance of chord from center is 5 cm. Radius is 13 cm. Radius S is 13 cm. Distance means perpendicular distance. This angle is 90 degree. हमें कॉर्ड ए बी की लंबाई ज्ञात करना है. गिवन लेट सी सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. ए बी इज कॉर्ड. Distance of chord from center CD is equal to 5 cm. CD is equal to 5 cm. Radius AC is equal to 13 cm. We have to find the length of the chord. In right triangle ACD by Pythagoras theorem. AD square plus CD square is equal to AC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of other two sides square. AD we have to find. CD 5 cm. CA 13 cm. AD square is equal to 13 cm का स्क्वायर 169 माइनस 5 स्क्वायर 25 is equal to 144. AD is equal to square root of 144 is equal to 12. Since perpendicular distance from C to a chord bisect the chord, therefore D is midpoint of AB. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord of the circle bisect the chord, therefore D is midpoint of chord AB. Therefore AB is twice of AD is equal to 2 into AD is 12 is equal to 24. Answer: length of chord is 24 cm. Question 2. An arc of a circle subtends an angle of 70 degree at the center. सेंटर C पर एंगल सबटेंड होता है 70 डिग्री. आर्क है AB. What is the measure of the angle subtended by the arc at a point on the circle? आर्क के आउटसाइड पॉइंट D है, तो इस पॉइंट पर इस आर्क द्वारा कितना एंगल सबटेंड होगा. एंगल D हमें ज्ञात करना है. एंगल सबटेंडेड एट सेंटर बाय आर्क AB इज इक्वल टू एंगल ACB इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री. It is given. We have to find the angle separated by the arc at the point on the circle. That is angle ADB. Question mark. We know that angle subtended by an arc at center is twice the angle subtended by the same arc at any point on the circle outside the arc. By a theorem, the angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is double the angle subtended by the arc at any point on the circle outside the arc. Thus, angle ACB is twice angle ADB. Angle ACB is 70 degree. Angle ACB is 70 degree given. Angle ADB we have to find is equal to angle ADB is equal to 70 degree upon 2 is equal to 35 degree. Answer: measure of the angle subtended by the arc at point outside the circle is 35 degree. Measure of required angle is degree. Question 3. The diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter. A chord of length 24 centimeter is drawn in the circle. Find the distance from the center of the circle to the chord. Let AB is a chord, C is center, distance of the chord CM from center we have to find. Diameter is 26, therefore radius is half of 26, 13 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 26 centimeter, therefore radius is equal to 26 by 2 is equal to 13 centimeter. Length of chord AB is equal to 24 centimeter. CM distance of the chord from center we have to find. Distance CM from the center of the circle to the chord. Using the theorem, distance perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord of circle bisect the chord. Therefore, AM is midpoint of AB. Therefore, AM is half of AB. One by 2 into AB. AB is 24 centimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. AM is 12 centimeter. In rectangle ACM by Pythagoras theorem. In rectangle ACM by Pythagoras theorem, CM square plus AM square equal to hypotenuse AC square. CM square we have to find. AM square 12 square, AC square 13 square. 13 square 169 minus 12 square 144 is equal to 25. CM is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. Answer: The distance from the center of the circle to the chord is 5 centimeter, equal to 5 centimeter.